welcome back to Traveling CODA. Today is very exciting. We are ready to tear the old floor out, the walls out, and get ready to install the new insulation and the new floor. So hopefully you'll enjoy watching. I'm going to speed it up so you're not bored for hours and hours for 3 or 4 days. I'm going to make the film go faster. So that finished right there. Tore all that up all the way down. It's about half the side over here. I still have the other half to do. I haven't done that yet. But I'm finished here. And we'll be doing the floor. I have to tear that up, this wood floor. I'll have to tear that up. Whew. Tired. Whew. But I'm finished with day 1. All right. Okay, so today, this is the second day of the teardown. Hopefully, I'll have everything that's on top, the cabinetry, the drawers. Hopefully, I'll have all that tore down. And then the next would be the floor. So I'm hoping tomorrow I can take it to the dump and get rid of all of it. And this would be empty and ready for the floor. But in added news, today I went to check because the air in this tire up here was getting low. And I said, could you please check it for me? And they said, okay. So I was curious and I said, hey, are these tires still good? So they checked. He's like, these look dry rot. And so, I don't know how long it's just been sitting or how old these tires are. I have no idea. And he said, yeah, these have dry rot. And I was like, okay, so would you mind checking all of these, please? And he's like, well, this one's starting to get a little bald, so you do need new ones there. And I'm like, okay. So I went in to ask how much. Now, there are 6 tires, 2 in the front, 4 in the back. Ooh, wow. Almost $2,200 for 6 new tires. But you have to do it. You need tires. They're very important to drive around. So I told him to go ahead. He said Thursday, so 2 days, and they'll put new tires on. I mean, you have to. You always, any project you start, it always is going to cost more than what you plan. But anyway, we'll have some good new tires, and that's good for safety for Summer and I as we drive around all over. So that's important. You have to do it. So hopefully they last a long time. Now, I told Summer, wait a minute now, new tires. I better go to the dump before we put the new tires on. I don't want to have a new tire get a nail in it from the dump, so I think I better go to the dump tomorrow. So I better get to work. Yeah. Okay. Enjoy watching me run around. Whew. I'm tired. Whew. That's a lot of work. The staples are about that long, and boy, you got to pry them loose to get them off. I got it all down. I got that all down. The bed, it used screws, and my drill, I got one of them out and it died. So I have it on the battery charger. So I'm almost finished. I have a little bit left. The heater, the bus has its own heater, and it has a box built around it, so I'm going to struggle with that. And I'm waiting on the battery to charge on the drill, and then I can go ahead and take the bed frame apart. But it's looking pretty good. I'm improving. I'll show you. Whew, it's break time. Yeah. Looks good. Hello. Good morning. It is early today and cold. I'm trying to get into the dump. They open at 8 and I'm trying to get in, get this emptied out, get back home. The poodles have a grooming appointment. And then I'm going to keep working on this. Hopefully I can get the floor done today and get that out and back to the dump and empty out. Because tomorrow is new tires. And I don't want to go to the dump with new tires. So hopefully today I'll have this empty. Wish me luck. Okay. We have arrived. We are at the dump. I'm ready to unload. I am the first one here. That's good. I backed right in. Okay. I think for now I'm finished. Okay, I'm going to head back home, tear up some more, and come back later today. But for now, I think it's pretty good. I'll show you. Got all that gathered up and thrown out. Good job. Okay. So now I'm ready to start on the floor, tearing it up, and I hope it goes fast so I can go back to the dump. All right. So, yeah. I'm exhausted. I did not have enough time to go back to the dump before they closed. This floor is rough, tearing it up. It is very slow going. So I'm just going to keep working until dark, and then I'll have to take a break. Tomorrow is a busy, busy day. I have labs in the morning for the doctor. I have work all day, and then after work I got to go to the chiropractor, and there was something else. I don't even know. I'm tired. So I think I'm gonna have to stop here and pick up next week. Okay. Well, I tried. I'll keep at it. So I finished tearing up the floor all along here. I got to right there. And later, I'll peel up the rest of that all the way down. And then I need to get this wood up. The top part and this bottom base. Peel all that up all the way down. Phew! Finished day 3. Well, thank you for watching. And don't forget to click subscribe and click thumbs up or thumbs down and comment below. Okay, thank you. Bye.